Which is an example of random sampling? Asking every woman over 21 which Disney movie is the best. Asking all men with white hair who their favorite superhero is. Asking all of your friends which teacher is the best at the school. Or asking every fourth person leaving the school what they eat during lunch. The first thing we need to know is what is a random sample. A random sample is a small group of the population. Should not be the entire population because then it wouldn't be a sample. Where we are looking at people who aren't characterized by a certain character, who aren't the same because of a certain characteristic. They aren't people who go to the same school or people who have the same haircut. They're just randomly chosen because if you make any other decisions, you're no longer random. So the first one says asking every woman over 21 which Disney movie is the best. If I want to know what Disney movies everyone in the world thinks of, what everyone in the world thinks of different Disney movies, I can't just ask women, or I'm not counting anything that men have to say. I also can't just choose women over the age of 21, or I would be ignoring all of the younger population and what they think the best Disney movie is. Now, if my question, what I want to know is what do women over 21 think the best Disney movie is, the problem with this is that it's not a random sample, then it would be the entire population, which makes it a census. Number 2 says asking all men with white hair who their favorite superhero is. Once again, if I want to know who's the men's favorite superhero is, asking all the ones with white hair makes it automatically not random. If I specifically want to know about men with white hair, then I'm once again taking a census and not a population. So number 1 and number 2, not random samples. Number 3, asking all of your friends which teacher is the best at the school. This one is a little better in that we aren't choosing by characteristic, but just by who we're around. But this isn't random sampling. When you choose based on who is easy to get to, it's called convenient sampling because we're sampling the people convenient to us, our friends, our families, our neighbors. Once again, not a random sample. So this better be our answer down here. Asking every fourth person leaving the school what they eat during lunch. Since this seems to only ask a question about our school and the way that we chose who to ask was random, every fourth person leaving, anyone could have been asked, I feel that this is probably the most random sampling option on here.